Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can find your Linktree bios URL to share it, for example, with your followers and potential clients. So let us get started. Head over to linktree.ee, that's the URL of Linktree, log into your account, and to access your Linktree bio, simply select it. In the top left corner, here you'll see a list of your associated Linktrees or Linktree bios. So you can create a new one by clicking on Create New Linktree here, or simply select the one you have already created. So let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. And you will be then redirected to the overview of your Linktree here to the right. So basically all you need to do guys, is click on copy your Linktree URL here, to copy your Linktree URL and to share it with your followers and potential customers, provided of course your Linktree has been published already. As you can see, I have already published it. So simply click on copy your Linktree URL and then it will be copied, so that if you head over to a new tab, you will simply see your Linktree by pasting it here in the URL bar, and then you will be automatically redirected, or your contacts and followers will be redirected to your Linktree bio, so that they may join your followers or simply follow your Linktree bio by clicking on that button here below. And that's basically it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.